Rejection, it burns. It feels like failure. But the Stoics knew rejection is not the end. It is the beginning of strength. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca, they all faced rejection, exile, betrayal, and they turned it into wisdom. Today I will share with you 7 Stoic lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. Lesson 1. Reframe the event, not the pain. The Stoics taught that events are neutral. It's your judgment that creates suffering. When rejected, do not say I lost, say I was redirected. Lesson 2. See rejection as proof of courage. Only those who act can be rejected. The timid avoid rejection, but they also avoid growth. Every no you face is proof you dared. Lesson 3. Focus only on what is in your control. You cannot control people's opinions. You cannot control whether they accept you. But you can control your response. That is where your power lives. Lesson 4. Train your ego through denial. Seneca wrote, "We are tested by insults and rejection. Rejection is not punishment, it is training. Each no is a weight lifted at the gym of the soul." Lesson 5. Rejection clears your path. Sometimes rejection is protection. The door that closed was not your door. The Stoics trusted fate because life removes what is not meant for you. Lesson 6. Turn rejection into fuel. Epictetus said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Rejection is energy. Transform it into discipline, creativity, and unstoppable persistence. Lesson 7. Remember, you are never rejected from yourself. A person may reject you, a society may reject you, but your character, your virtue, your inner fortress, these are untouchable. Rejection cannot remove your worth. So next time rejection strikes, do not collapse. Stand like a Stoic and remember every no is simply sharpening you for a greater yes.